Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make adjustments on your pictures such as brightness, contrast and shadows on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below and select a picture. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the adjustments button. The first option is brightness, so with the help of this slide in the middle of the screen you can select the brightness of your photo. Then you can also adjust the contrast. Next button is the shadows. Then you can adjust the highlights, saturation, temperature, tint, and you can also sharpen your picture and grain it. So that's all of the functions that you can add and adjust. Click on the apply button down below if you are satisfied with the result, and click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.